What's up, high levelers? Funnel Doc here. In today's video, we're going to be going over how to set up free courses inside your communities inside High Level. See you inside today's video. Now, high levelers, the first thing you're going to need to do when you're logged in is, first of all, have a course created. Now, if you haven't created a course yet, you're going to need to first go to memberships here on your left. You're then going to log into right here where it says courses at the top. You're going to go to products. You're going to see a page similar to this. You're then going to hit create product and you'll pick what type of course you want to create. We're not going to get into that today. Today, we're setting up free courses inside your community. So once you log into your community, you're going to first do that through your client portal. Once you log in, if you're not sure where to find your actual community is at, you're going to come right here to these 9 dots at the top right. Click on that. You're going to see communities. You'll click on communities, and then you'll see a page where you'll be able to create your first community if you haven't, or if you've already created your communities, they'll pop up. Today, we're going to be using my AI Automation Agency Secrets community as our demo. To create your free course, you're going to then come into your learning tab right here at the middle of the page, hit learning. You'll see it says add course. You'll then click add course. Then you'll select what course you want to use. We're going to use our free demo course right here. You'll see all members have access and it's free. Super easy to do at this point. You hit add course and bam, it's good to go. Now, whenever anyone logs in, they'll underneath their learning tab, they'll see this little icon that they'll be able to log in and get access to the free course. Hopefully you enjoyed today's video, high levelers. Thanks so much for watching. Funnel Doc out. Peace.